This is Dr. Karen Reid Renner from Rejuv Aesthetics in Bloomington, Indiana, 1403 Atwater Avenue. I just want to jump on here just to talk to you guys about my new product. It's the Beautifill machine. And this Beautifill machine is produced by Alma, and it's a laser-based technology that allows us to do 3 easy procedures in one. One, we're able to harvest fat cells from one part of your body and transfer or graft those cells into another area of your body. And at the same time, the laser allows for the area that's been liposuctioned to be tightened, the skin over that area to be tightened. So it allows skin tightening, liposuction, and fat transfer all in one safe, easy procedure. This is an office-based procedure. You don't have to be put under general anesthesia. In fact, it's local anesthesia through tumescent anesthesia, where that area is numbed using lidocaine. The fat cells are harvested through a cannula that covers a laser. The laser gently heats the fat cells to allow them to easily be removed. The underlying structures are preserved. The blood vessels are preserved. You don't have a lot of bleeding or bruising, and as a result, you don't have a lot of pain. And the downtime as a result of this process is minimal. Most people, 24 to 48 hours, they're able to go back to work. They're able to wear a binder to keep that area compressed, and that allows for the healing and the tightness of the overlying skin from the area that has been liposuctioned. What is really great about this machine and this technology is that, of course, we know that as we age, we lose volume and fat in areas where we really don't want to lose it, such as in our face, and that makes us look a lot older. And we gain volume, such as fat, in areas that are inconvenient, such as our abdomen, our love handles, our arms. These areas, you can remove fat from those areas, and if you don't want to transfer them anywhere, you can just discard them. But if you do, you can actually transfer the fat from those areas to areas that you do, such as the face, the buttock area. For example, in this picture, you can see the before of the loss of volume in the face for this beautiful lady. And the after, you see how that volume is nicely corrected and she has regained her youthfulness. You also see the same in the buttock area for this lady. She had some volume loss, and after the after picture, you see that she has a lot more volume. And all of this works to bring back our confidence and our youthfulness and our vitality. So the beautiful Beautifill machine is here at 1403 Atwater Avenue. It's safe, it's easy. We're currently accepting appointments for your convenient consultation. And call us at 812-339-6744 or 812-822-3727 or 812-822-2542. We're looking forward to seeing you, and hopefully you'll be able to participate in this procedure. Thank you.